Hi, my name is Pantas Sutardja, founder of LatticeWork. In my previous career, I was a hardcore semiconductor and electronics guy. I co-founded Marvell Technology Group, still going strong as a large semiconductor company in the world. But I have always had a strong affinity for system-level products. Back at Marvell, my system focus was only in the storage space. Founding LatticeWork gave me the next level of freedom to pursue a completely system-based business model. But then, what system business model should LatticeWork engage? There were already many successful cloud-centric companies, and there were also many pure edge solution companies. I chose a road less traveled by others, a hybrid cloud system model. My rationale was like this. A self-sufficient edge solution allows business operation to run autonomously and be resilient to internet outages. Yet, if your business operates over multiple sites, you want the convenience of the cloud to access the combined dashboard of all your sites, and the ability for your service providers to remotely support all of your sites. Only the hybrid cloud model provides all the benefits of autonomous operation, solution scale-out, and cloud accessibility. So what are the main challenges of the hybrid cloud model? It really comes down to the scale of the engineering effort. Most of our technology stacks are not rocket science, and in fact, many of them are coming from open source components. What's hard is the effort to put together everything that seamlessly work together, being self-consistent, high-performant, and reliable. In addition, the product needs to protect customers' data integrity, security, and privacy. It takes a lot of glue logic and testing to make all the components work nicely with each other. We do have to develop a few custom building blocks when we could not find suitable open source equivalents. Overall, putting many tech components together requires a lot of insights, practical knowledge, patience, perseverance, and manpower. Future competitors who want to replicate what we do will have to pay the same price. This creates some defensible moat around us as long as we are the earlier adopter. In the end, we developed an edge-native application platform that can operate independently of the cloud. Yet, when they are paired with our cloud solution, they behave like cloud-native solutions. So, what are the advantages we provide to our customers? The first of our LatticeWorks commercial hybrid cloud solution is the VAISENSE surveillance solution. One of the unique advantages of our solution is that we can turn any existing non-AI based cameras into smart cameras. In recent months, the cost of most electronics products, including new cameras, have skyrocketed due to supply chain constraints, especially in the memory product lines. This trend is not going away anytime soon because the constraint is driven by close to $1 trillion of investments in cloud AI infrastructure. And that investment will take several years to be fully spent and deployed. Meanwhile, the supply chain constraint will likely last just as long. We can seriously lower the cost of smart surveillance by reusing the existing camera infrastructure that customers already deployed. What else can we do for our customers? Because we own a hybrid cloud platform, customers with a need beyond surveillance will have better luck getting a custom solution suitable for improving their business operation efficiency. A case in point is that, based on a particular customer need, we created a byproduct, a gas station operation solution, by attaching an additional custom module to our standard platform infrastructure. The relative cost of creating a custom product for us will continue to become smaller compared to what our other competitors would incur, building a whole product stack from scratch. Longer term, our platform approach can give us a different kind of advantage. We believe that most businesses can benefit from some kind of AI-based application. But the solutions required are very fragmented, with each business vertical requiring its own custom AI-enhanced workflow. The reality is that we cannot possibly develop all the customized solutions that are needed out there. So, we do plan to open up the VAISENSE platform to other developers. We would rather turn more developers into our partners than our competitors. Working together with many other developers, we can serve more business verticals than each of us can handle. Our vision is to make the VAISENSE hybrid cloud platform into a de facto server platform for commercial edge AI application use cases, similar to what iOS and Android becoming the de facto mobile platform for mobile applications. As a side note, I was occasionally asked by people why I would want to continue working after I had a very successful career working in semiconductor. I could have retired long ago. This, of course, is a personal matter. To me, learning is a lifelong process. Solving challenging issues continue to keep my mind sharp. Making quick buck and then drop the ball is not really in my DNA. So I can say with a very strong conviction that our customers can be assured that if they rely on LatticeWork for solving the business needs, we will continue to make our products better and keep ourselves relevant for their future needs. We are here to stay to service our customers.